Good morning, guys. It's a good sunny day today, August 3, first day of class. Yep. And yeah, we just received this one's from Jodely. I'm gonna try to. There you go. So it's like one hand. It's like this face mask for Laura. There you go. So how does it look? Okay, so yeah, I just got these ones from Jodely. Thank you very much for this. And yeah, Laura will be using this. This is Abaka, right? Yes, it is. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. The other one has this design. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, you're supposed to wear masks daily. No, every time you go out, not daily, but yeah, every time you go out of the house, it's mandatory that you have a mask. So yeah, this is what it's for. Okay, I'm gonna start prepping things now. Just enjoying the view outside. It's really sunny. It's great. It's not gloomy. It's not rainy. We're approaching spring in a few days, or in a month or two. Yeah. I'm still not myself. I haven't had coffee yet, and yeah, I haven't not yet fully awake. Either way, nice view. Check out. Yep, blue skies. Okay, let's go up the stairs and look for something to eat. So we're supposed to be doing the jump ropes again today, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not doing it. And yeah, I'm thinking of what to eat. Let's just open this shit, because it's a nice sunny day today. And yeah, ooh, that's so bright. Let me check if there's some bird poo. Because yeah, oh, so bright. I'm just trying to get it darker. Yeah, that's it. So this one's here. It's not filming. Come on, that one. So yeah, I installed those things. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm so happy that these things that I installed, I just used tape, is working. Like, none of the birds are just staying there and they're pooping down there. It's so gross, because whenever they go there, the shit's gonna hit. Like, I still have to clean the old things there, and you can see that some there. So yeah, it's worst. It's so bad days before, but now it's much better. You can see you still have some in here. Okay, there you go. It's not clear. Yeah, so right now there's none on the floor. So that's a nice thing. And this is made of glass, or like plastic, so they're bendable and you can break it. Like, if you accidentally, it's not gonna kill someone or kill the bird, it's gonna poke them. And yeah, if they're too heavy and they crash here, this is gonna break. Like, this is gonna break. So yeah, it's not that lethal. It's just gonna poke them. Now the annoying thing is the birds are just staying there and there, so there's still poop, some poop, but that's much better than having them there and all. Yeah, it's much better. So it's a nice thing that there's no bird poo around. And yeah, birds just go up there and they poo. Some poo are there, but not before, when they stay there and the poo is all over the place, sticking. It's gross. Anyway, yeah, good day today. Look at the sky, mate. Look at the sunny day. Okay, so I need to start doing stuff right now, but I'm so lazy. I'm confused on what to do first. You have to do something, right? Have to do something.